be a bean. Oh,
You don't know me!
What am I carrying?
But my name's Sai!
No.
I'm just the old hair delivery guy!
With me.
But it seems like trees might be worth a try! So I say, let it grow! My name is Dan, and my name's Rose. Our son Wesley kinda glows. And that's not good, so we suppose we should let it grow. Let it grow, let it grow. You can't reap what you can't sow. Plant the seed inside the earth. Just one way to know its worth. To celebrate the world's rebirth, we say let it grow. My name's Marie, and I am 3. I would really like to see a tree. La 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 lee. I say let it grow. My Granny Norma, and old and I got gray hair. But I remember when trees were everywhere, and no one had to pay for air. So I say, let it grow, let it grow, let it grow, like it did so long ago.
I think this would be.
It's just one tiny seed, but it's all we really need. It's time to change the life we lead. I'm to let it grow. My name's Old Hair, I'm one of you. I live here in Threadneedville too. The things you say just might be true. It could be time to start anew and maybe change my point of view. Nah! I say let it die! Let it die! Let it die! Let it shrivel up and come on, huh? Who's with me? Nobody! You greedy dirtbag! The grow, let it grow. Let the love inside you show. Plant the seed inside the earth. Just one way to know its worth. Let's celebrate the world's rebirth. We say let it grow. Whoa! Let go, let it grow. You can't reap what you don't sow. It's just one tiny seed, but it's all we really need. It's time to banish all your greed. Imagine Threadneedville forward and treat. This be a solemn creed. We say let it grow. We say let it grow. They say let it grow. Say let it grow.
Elsa? Do you wanna build a snowman? Yeah! Come on, let's go and play.
Yeah.
I never see you anymore. Come out the door. It's like you've gone away.
Oh my God.
We used to be best buddies, and now we're not.
Psych.
I wish you would tell me why. Do you wanna build a snowman? No, 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 no! It doesn't have to be a snowman. Go away, Anna. Okay, bye.
Do you wanna build a snowman? Or ride our bike around the halls?
The police, they are after me.
I think some company's overdue. I've started talking to the pictures on the walls. Hang in there, Joan.
I hate you!
It gets a little lonely, all these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by.
Sitting on toilet.
Do you wanna build a snowman?
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Oh yeah, Zellzone, yo, macaron, yeah, macaron, no, chacaron, 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 chacaron. Chacaron. Chaka run.
In the Johnny play, in the Johnny flow. I'm in the Chaka run, in the Johnny flow. In this room, then I'm in the Vinny flow.
Chaka run, Chaka run, Chaka run, Chaka run.